Chapter 5, The Red-Headed Woodpecker. This folktale that you are going to read originally came from Northland in New Zealand. It tells us what happens if we are too greedy and not willing to share our food with others. This story is about an old woman and an old man. So let's start our folktale. A small old woman once lived on a hill. She always wore a black dress with a large white apron with big bows tied behind it. She also wore a red bonnet on her head. What is bonnet? Bonnet is a cloth hat that is fastened beneath the chin with ribbons. So look at this picture. She is wearing a red bonnet on her head. As the years passed, this woman had grown very selfish because she lived alone and thought of nobody but herself. So one day an old man came to her place and he was very hungry, and as he was hungry, so he asked her to give one of her cakes. So what he said? "My good old woman, will you give me one of your cakes? I am very hungry. I have no money to pay for it, but whatever you first wish for, you shall have." So he asked her to give one of her cakes as he was hungry, but he don't have any money to pay for it. So what he said, that whatever she will wish for, the first thing she will have that. So what the old woman replied, "Very well, wait outside." So once she baked the cake, she thought about, this cake is much too large to give away. That one has risen so well and is such a warm golden color. I cannot part with it. Let me bake a smaller cake for the old man. So as she baked the cake, she realized that the cake has risen so well with a golden color that she did not want to part with it. Part with it, what is the meaning of part with? Part means to give something away. So she did not want to give away that cake as it has risen so well and it was such a beautiful golden color and it was such a warm and golden color cake. So she thought of baking a smaller cake for the old man. "Oh dear, even though I used very little dough, this cake too has risen to be as fine and large as the ones I made earlier. I don't want to waste such a fine cake on a poor old man." So that old woman, you see, she is getting very selfish. First she baked a cake and she did not want to part with that cake as she thought this is such a beautiful cake and as it has risen so well and the color is such a golden and warm, it is such a warm cake that she did not want to part with that. So she thought of baking another cake, but another cake also risen to be as fine and as large as the one she had made earlier, and she thought about she don't want to waste such a fine cake on that poor old man. So what she said, "I cannot give you any cakes, but if you want, you can have this crust of dry bread." So she did not give him any of the cake she had baked. Instead, she offered him the crust of dry bread, and she asked her, "You can take this dry crust of bread, but I cannot give you any cakes." So the old man took the dry crust of the bread and vanished without a word, and he went away without saying any word to her. After he left, the old woman was filled with remorse. Remorse means a feeling of sadness about something one has done. She realized that she had been very mean to the old man. So once the old man left, she realized that she had been very selfish to the old man, that she didn't even offered him a cake. So what she thought, it is very selfish of me not to give that poor old man even a morsel of cake. Oh, I wish I were a bird, then I would fly to him with the largest cake on my shelf. So she thought about herself that she has been very selfish to that poor old man, that she did not give him what is morsel. Morsel is a small amount of food, that she did not even offered him a small amount of the cake, as he was hungry, but she was not ready to part with even a small amount of cake. So she thought and she wished that she wanted to be a bird so that she could fly to him with the largest piece of the cake on her shelf. As the woman spoke, she started growing smaller. Finally, the wind whisked her up through the chimney. She became a bird as she had wished. She still wore her black dress and red bonnet and still had the large white apron with the big bows behind her. So, what did she wish for? She wished to be a bird. So, and the old man said that she will have whatever she wished for. So, as she wished for to be a bird, so she turned into a bird. So, she started growing smaller and the wind whisked. What is the meaning of whisked? Whisked means took her quickly and suddenly through the chimney. Chimney means a channel that carries away the smoke from a fireplace. So she came out of the chimney, she became a bird, and because she wished to be a bird. And till now she still wore her black dress and red bonnet and still had the large white apron with the big bows behind her. So she turned to be a bird.
She turned into a bird.
From that day on, the greedy old man, who was too mean to share her cakes, had to hunt for her food all day long by drilling in the bark of the trees. So, as she turned into the bird, from that day, that greedy old woman, as she was so mean that she was not willing to share her cakes, now she has to hunt for the food all day long by drilling in the bark of the trees with her sharp beaks. So, moral of the story is we should not be greedy and we should share our food with others.